Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking yellow summer squash on a grill. So first thing to do is I need to preheat the grill. So I'm just going to turn it on high. And close the cover so it preheats quickly on high. And now I'm going to slice the yellow squash. So I washed the squash before making the video. You don't need to peel it. The peel is totally edible. And just cut off the ends. So just the stem you need to remove. And cut it into thin slices. And now you slice the squash, and I'm going to season it. So we're using olive oil, and you can use any kind of vegetable oil. And oil helps it keep it from sticking to the grill. And for seasonings, I have salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And you can use any seasonings you like. So for the oil, the easiest way to brush it with oil is just pour oil in a little cup. And I'm going to use a silicone brush to brush the squash with oil. And now let's sprinkle the seasonings. So I'm using salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And now I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So I will brush them with oil. And sprinkle the seasonings. Salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And now it's time to grill them. So I season them, and let's put them on a grill. So the grill has preheated. Now let's open up the lid, and I'm going to turn the heat down to low. And let's put them on a grill. And now let's cover the grill, and I will grill on this side for 3 minutes. Now yellow squash has been cooking for 3 minutes, and let's flip them over. Look at these beautiful grill marks. I'm going to close the lid. And let's cook them on the other side for another 3 minutes. So now it's been cooking for 3 minutes on the second side, so 3 minutes per side, 6 minutes total, and it's ready. Now the cooking time really depends on how thick are the slices and how powerful is your grill. So those are pretty thin slices, and I know they cook very quickly, so let's take them off the grill. Show you the grill marks on this side and on that side. It's totally grilled. Perfect. And now let's turn off the grill. This looks so good. Perfectly grilled. It's so tender. And now let's try it. You can just tell those slices are so tender when I take them off the grill. See, it cuts super easily. Let's try it. It's so good, so delicious, so tender, perfectly seasoned with a deep grilled taste. You will love it. And summer squash is perfect for summer. This is a great grilling recipe, and it's so healthy too. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!